Satisfying chiropractor cracks. Oh my god. I'm scared. I'm scared. Good.
Let this come down. Good.
Wait, max it out. Stop talking. I want to hear the cracks.
Oh my heavens. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Out through your mouth.
Don't do this. They're fake doctors. I went to one once, but I know they're fake doctors. I just really wanted my back cracked.
Out through your mouth.
Whoa! Why can't they just why is dad from down the street getting his back cracked, you know? Okay, oh my god. Oh my god. I cannot. Why? I cannot. Oh my god.
Hold it in. Good.
I was losing. I don't care.
Good.
Oh my gosh, I need that.
There you go.
What's her Instagram?
Oh wow.
One more. There. Yes, ma'am. With the thoracic spine and the sternum. Go ahead and relax your leg in my hand.
Does anyone know
There
that?
you go.
Whoa!
Bad girl. Alrighty.
What the heck?
Okay, let's
You
sit
broke her
down.
leg off.
Here. There you go. Good. Boy, you're some
Oh no! Oh gosh, she's got a wedding. She's got a wedding ring on,
Her
chat.
own cervical spine, so she's a little hypermobile there. Compression. Looky there. See there.
That's the one I want. I'm too scared to let them do it, but that's the one I wish
See,
that
I
I
put
could
more of
have.
a P to A thrust.
This one is whatever.
as
I could
opposed
do
to
that
a
on my own.
rotary thrust.
I wonder if they just look at their really attractive clients and go, so you want to make a YouTube video with me? Yeah, just totally about cracking your back.
Relax.
Good. Nice. So we're gonna get this adjusted.
Ah.
Beautiful.
Do you guys watch this to go to bed instead of ASMR?
There
or
it is, right
something?
there. Perfect.
Yeah. Oh. Dude. Crack my back, please.
Stuff. See?
Okay, what do you have to ask them to have all this done to you? Oh, got you hyper.
There you go. Tilt right. That's it.
You have to have x-rays first.
Oh, there it was. Good.
Full body. Oh. Ooh. A full service. Oh.
Take a deep breath in. And out.
Whoa. Whoa. But I mean, if they're not doctors, then anyone can learn how to crack a back like that. Maybe not everything else, but at least just the back. No? That's some people have a zero body awareness. Like zero body awareness. So it makes sense.
Someone will lean you back.
Jeez, he pulls her like she's a rag doll. My dad used to crack my back like that. I would go like this, and then he'd grab my arms and he'd pick me up, and my whole back would just be like,
Oh goodness gracious.
what is this contraption? What is this?
Oh my gosh, that's so good.
A good way to get paralyzed? True. Oh, jeez.
Oh yeah. Oh, that was good.
Can't these actually paralyze you?
That was
Like cracking through your neck like that?
Oh my gosh, that's so good.
Do any of you guys regularly go to a chiropractor?
That's right. I didn't even move. Okay, right there. Just relax, get up. Okay.
No.
Good.
Yes.
Okay, how this? Good. Nice. That was a little more painful that side.
Mm-hmm.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
See your nose. Will you let me go? There you go. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Girl. Tilt right. Boy, doesn't get any better than that, Vanessa. I still gotta pull your leg.
I wonder if, okay, this is like the third time we've seen this guy
You
specifically.
won't have a problem with that, would you?
I wonder if he works like the medical spas where they invite them out to get a full body crack for the YouTube video.
Woo-wee! Wow.
There it is, right there.
See?
the whole
This is him
thing.
again.
Knocks the air out of you, if you will, first. There you go.
Better right
Yeah.
Ooh, a MILF. Okay,
There
I'm
we
sorry.
go.
Yeah, I'm
Good.
sorry. Someone get me off the internet. I'm so corrupted.
If it's allowed to without interference.
I'm sorry.
Easy here.
I didn't mean to talk about Sandy that way. Wait, what the heck is that? Oh, those are like leggings.
So you'll feel push.
It looked like really discolored legs or something. Did you see this?
Here.
Look, like for a second I thought she was like really red skin, and then all of a sudden it was like orangey like skin.
Good. And that can help with that.
It's not. She's wearing leggings.
So you'll feel push.
No,
and
she's
pull.
wearing pink
There you go.
leggings.
Alrighty. Very good. Good job.
Okay, breathe. There you go. There we go. Woo!
Whoa. He didn't even have to do anything. He just moved her arm.
Jag too. There you go.
Ugh.
That's a girl. Yes, ma'am. You
Ugh.
should have felt that all the way down.
Why is he only cracking women? It is statistically proven that women often have more back problems than men because we have big boobies. Duh.
Good. Nice. Oh, wow. Good.
She wore leather shorts to get her back cracked?
Good. Relax.
I mean,
Relax right here. Good. There
maybe
you go.
she just got out of work or
Perfect.
something. That just sounds inconvenient.
Right?
Still connected?
Yeah. Good.
Ugh.
Right here.
Whoa.
See if you
Whoa.
There you go. Oh boy. Got one more. There it is.
How's it cracking so much? He just cracked every bone in her body.
That a girl. Yep.
She had more back to crack? It just seemed like a lot.
There we go. Good. Okay. There you go.
Whoa.
Yes, sir. I got you. Drop it. There you go.
Oh, I felt that
yeah.
one.
Then
He
get
was like all the way
there now.
down.
He's smiling.
When your own mom thinks you
He's got a ring
guilty.
dinger too. He's cool too.
Sad. Thank you, Mike, for the tier 1.
And then exhale out. Good.
Oh, we should.
You're good.
That's a lot.
That was a lot.
We'll watch that next.
See, Jeremy's a real pro at relaxing now, and
Good for Jeremy.
A lot better.
That's a life skill to be proud of, knowing how to relax.
My life has completely changed. Veteran Affairs,
Yep.
my primary care physician at the VA,
Yep.
who helped me get these visits
Yep.
taken care of.
they're seeing the progress too, aren't they?
Yes.
I mean, when you go back and visit your primary care docs, they actually get to hear you
yeah,
talk
yeah.
about the progress you're making.
But I feel like the more you crack your back, the more that your body kind of craves it and the more that you want it, isn't it? Because it's like some people have never really cracked their fingers, so they never crack their fingers, versus all of us who have cracked our fingers, we crack them all the time. Like, once they start feeling a little, you just crack it, you know?